Santo asimwe agambira abanyamakuru ngo bwezi oba kutunga hati wemerera bucweka ashatu na kamwe R10 ubutubuka basa kurebera empungi zone eziri mu ihanga Uganda.
Uganda hosts in total 1.5 million refugees, but those that directly get support from WFP total up to 1.4 million refugees. And in Naki Valley, where we are standing here, for example, we host about 185 according to UNHCR figures.
Uganda erimo empungi ziri kwingana miliyoni emwe n'ecweka ariezi miliyoni emwe n'emitwaro 80 zireberera ekitongole kya World Food Program omu settlements 13 okwetooroora ihanga.
And these needs are further compounded by the worsening climate every other time. And therefore, if no urgent action is taken today, we are going to see millions of refugees, including, by the way, their hosts, starving to death. And so the current level of funding, as I mentioned, is we are funded up to 31%.
Empungi zishabirwe kwejumbira omukwebikira kasente kwebisaho bundo bwezi bwayongera kugumizamo n'obucendera okushaba okukwirweyo Elizabeth Mwerinde.
A person starts off having financial identity, that's your name and account number. Then you become financially independent when you receive funds through the cash transfer, which Equity enables you to receive. Once you have that account number with funds, you have created financial independence. What is financial independence? That's your ability to make your own decisions to spend or to save your money. That's one form of dignity, at least that we can have control of as Equity Bank. But we don't only stop there.
Okujar Mwerinde kuyabatandika program ya social protection omu camp ya Nakivale babase kwikamaka emitwaro 12 n'ecweka za group z'empungi 14 ababine ba agents bishat omu camp egi kandi ekinchonja kubahwera no kubashomesa okwebikira Agacencwire. Gashakwa Sengendo Abdul Karim, Our TV West.